Hi, welcome to Financial Insight Zambia show, right here on the Copperbelt at our new Kitwe studios at Lioness House, just opposite Garden Court. And on this exciting episode, we are interviewing a very special guest from Insizwe, the regional manager for the Copperbelt, Mr. Mubila Mwenda. Mr. Mubila Mwenda, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Before we dive into the interview in depth, tell us about Insizwe. What is Insizwe and what do you guys do and who do you serve?
So Insizwe, we are insurance brokers.
Yes.
We are intermediaries between clients and the insurance industry. Mm-hmm. So our purpose, or rather our existence, is solely based on us going into the market, mm-hmm. finding clients, providing different types of insurance policies and solutions for them. Mm-hmm. And then after we get what they need and want, we go back to the insurance industry and find those exact needs that they bring them to them, mm-hmm. give them different options. Of course, we're not just going to shop from one insurer. Mm-hmm. We'll give them various options and then let the client decide which brand they want to go with and mm-hmm. which one is more cost effective, and also mm-hmm. that is making them feel safe in relation to the risks that they are covering at that particular moment.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah. So even mm-hmm. further than that, even after we make the sale, we manage the policy. Uh-huh. Yeah, we manage the policy, and we also advise the client accordingly in relation to being cost effective, mm-hmm. also looking at brands that are well capitalized that can handle the risks that the client has at that particular moment.
Perfect. Fantastic. Mm-hmm. Fantastic. So what prompted Insizwe to open an office here in Kitwe, and what has this strategic location? Mm-hmm. How has it supported your business? Okay,
so two reasons why we moved on the Copperbelt. Mm-hmm. The brand Insizwe has been in existence for 10 years now, and our portfolio is heavy on the Copperbelt. Even before moving here and having an office, mm-hmm. The portfolio was already heavy with Copperbelt clientele. Okay. So one of the reasons why we moved here is for us to be able to service the clients with so much ease, mm-hmm. being near them since they are based on the Copperbelt. Mm-hmm. And then two, also, mining is the hub of Zambia, the largest contributor to the GDP for the country. So mm-hmm. as a brand, we wanted to be a part of that as well, mm-hmm. to be able to service the mining industry. I think it's something that gives pleasure to Insizwe.
Yes.
Yeah, we've had a very good run so far. Mm-hmm. I think the place has warmed up to us, and we're making traction.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Amazing. How has the Kitwe office mm-hmm. been servicing the clients, and what specific products have been in demand?
Being a mining inclined area or region, we find ourselves giving a lot of insurance solutions in relation to logistics, mm-hmm. Companies that are related to the mines and the mines themselves. Mm-hmm. So the products that move a lot are what we call marine products, goods in transit, mm-hmm. Hauliers liability. We're looking at mining or risk products. Mm-hmm. We're looking at employee health as well, medical, and what we call GLA, which is group life assurance. Mm-hmm. Yeah, to make sure that even as employees are working in the mining sector, mm-hmm. they are feeling safe, because if in case of an accident, in case of any sickness that is inherent to mining, they can be covered and they can get the medical attention, mm-hmm. as well as the companies also in terms of business interruption, in terms of mining assets being protected. Insizwe is doing a good job in that area.
Fantastic. So what particular business opportunities has Insizwe been eyeing on the Copperbelt? I think other than the mine, mm-hmm. yes, what sort of business opportunities?
Of course, for individuals as well, we are there. Uh-huh. We're not just looking at the larger scale or the macro scale of it, or we're also looking at individuals. We are offering household insurance. Mm-hmm. So these are like home assets that people have in their homes. Mm-hmm. We're looking at house owners, where someone can cover their house in case it catches a fire, mm-hmm. or anything happens to the house. it can be, brought back to where it was before. Yeah, so we're also looking at such opportunities, because what we want to be is a holistic company, a one-stop shop for both the corporate and the individual person out there.
Fantastic. So how do you position your company to capitalize on these opportunities, especially in the mining?
How we are positioning ourselves, that's a very interesting question. This year we've had a very good run. I think we've found ourselves in a lot of good spaces in relation to mining events that have been happening. Yeah, I think we participated at the Cabinex. We were also at the trade fair, and we were also part and parcel of a golf tournament that happened in Kansenshi.
Yes.
Yeah, we actually participated by being a sponsor there. It was a cancer awareness golf tournament for ladies.
Okay.
Yes, with precise concentration on cervical cancer. Yeah, so we've been finding ourselves in such places where we also get to network with other people who are within the mining industry and exchange notes here and there and see how we can provide insurance solutions for them. So that's how we've been positioning ourselves as the Insizwe. So we are deliberate about making linkages, we're deliberate about relationships with stakeholders within the mining industry. So that's how we're positioning ourselves.
Fantastic, fantastic. So given the recent surge in mining activities on the Copperbelt region, how do you assess the current landscape for insurance business in the area, and what trends or challenges do you foresee?
The surge in insurance, or the surge in mining, has come at a very good time, especially that our brand is just 1 year and some months on the Copperbelt. The growth in the mining industry only means that the cake is growing bigger and everyone can have a piece of it, and therefore Insizwe is also hungry for that piece of the cake.
Yes.
Yeah. Of course, with an increase in mining activity means there's an increase in capital.
Yes.
Capital, we are looking at it from the human capital side of it. We're also looking at it from machinery and everything else that helps into the mining activities. So we are going to see employees are going to increase in number, and therefore there we're looking at opportunities of giving what we call group personal accident insurance. We're looking at giving medical insurance. We're looking at giving what we call group life assurance. So those are the opportunities that we're seeing with a surge in mining. We'll be able to give such policies and make sure that even the employer out there, as they are running their minds, they can go to bed safe and sound knowing that their employees are covered in this aspect. Also, if we talk about the issue of the capital in terms of machinery and everything like that, Insizwe is there and has the capacity to be able to cover the mining equipment in such a way that if there's breakdowns in those machinery, a solution is quickly put in place.
Oh, okay, fantastic. So as we wind up, how does Insizwe Insurance Brokers differentiate itself from competitors here on the Copperbelt?
How are we different from the rest of the competition, other brokers? One is expertise. I think this is one company that is 10 years in existence, but the proprietors and also the team that has been assembled is one which is rich in expertise. It's got very good depth in insurance, such that policies and helping clients is so much easy. So one, we pride ourselves in depth of the insurance knowledge. Two, we are a very, very fast turnaround company when it comes to customer service. Yeah, we are very customer oriented, and we need to make sure that we speed up processes. We have a very lean employee base. Yeah, very young and very hungry. So we turn around customer queries in a very fast way. Yeah, so those are the things that set us apart, and also it is one company that is prides itself in capacity building. Yeah, making sure that if we have a shortfall in any department, we make sure that the people, they are brought up to speed. We are also trying to see if we can leverage technology and AI now in streamlining the processes so that we can be able to save clients better. So those are things that are setting us apart as a broker.
Interesting.
In the industry, yeah.
Interesting stuff there.
Yeah.
Lastly, what unique value proposition do you offer to clients in terms of insurance product services or expertise?
Yeah. What unique value proposition do we provide as Insizwe?
Yes.
Yeah, it speaks back into what I've just said. The expertise that we have, the depth in insurance, the hunger in how we handle client needs and queries. The beauty about insurance is that it gives clients peace.
Yes.
Yeah. So we pride ourselves as people that are able to assess a risk and give the client the necessary peace. Because in this case, the return on investment, mostly in insurance, is intangible. It's not one where like you've invested a 10,000, tomorrow you receive a 15 out of it. But then the one in insurance, what you get is peace of mind to say that these guys are well funded, these guys are well capitalized as an insurer and are able to restore me as a client. If I had an accident and my machinery goes down, I'm at peace knowing that where Insizwe has taken me in the market, those guys will be able to compensate me and also to indemnify.
Okay. Perfect. It has been a pleasure talking to you.
No, I've had a great time being on the set. Yeah.
Indeed. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This has been the FIZ show right here on the Copperbelt. That has been Mr. Mwenda Mubila, the Copperbelt Regional Manager for Insizwe Insurance Brokers. I have been your host, Mpandakilima, Hante, or simply Hante. And as we said, Financial Insight, get to know.